Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can cancel an order in SkipTheDishes. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your SkipTheDishes app, and once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now all you need to do is simply tap on your orders section where all your orders are listed. So once you tap on the orders section, which is on the bottom of the screen, you can see all your orders there. So once you are there, you need to simply tap on the profile icon on the right hand side of the corner. So once you tap on your profile, you can simply be redirected to this kind of interface. So here all you need to do is scroll down below and tap on need help. So once you tap on the need help option, you will be redirected to this page. So simply tap on any of the order issues you are facing. So once you have selected the issue, you can tap on contact support. So after tapping on contact support, you will be redirected to this kind of interface where you need to type in your name, email, your number and your message. Once it is done, you need to tap on start the chat and type in that you want to cancel your order. So once you have typed in and started the chat, you will be contacted to the SkipTheDishes team who will help you to cancel your order on SkipTheDishes. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.